If you launched your game using the GOG Galaxy application, taking a screenshot on Windows is quick and easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to screenshot in GOG so you can capture your favorite moments in-game without missing anything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, once your game is running through GOG Galaxy, make sure you're on the exact moment you want to capture. Then, on your keyboard, press the Windows key and the PrtScn key at the same time. On some keyboards, the PrtScn key may be labeled PrtScn, so don't worry if it looks a little different. When you press both keys together, your screen may dim for a moment. That dimming is normal and it means Windows has just taken the screenshot successfully. After that, the image is automatically saved for you, so you do not need to paste it anywhere manually. To find your screenshot, open File Explorer and go to the Screenshots folder inside your Pictures folder. That's where Windows stores the image by default when you use Windows key plus PrtScn. From there, you can open the screenshot, edit it, share it, or upload it wherever you need. If you want to take more screenshots during gameplay, just repeat the same shortcut anytime you want to capture a new moment. This works great for saving achievements, funny moments, beautiful scenery, or anything else you want to keep from your GOG game. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work at first, double-check that your keyboard has a working PrtScn key and that Windows is recognizing the input properly. But in most cases, this method is the fastest and easiest way to screenshot in GOG on Windows, so just remember the shortcut, Windows key plus PrtScn. Then check your Screenshots folder in File Explorer. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.